Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For today's video we are taken to the sea with Fort William Sea Tours on their 90-minute Seaferry speedboat excursion. You meet your guide Ian at the West End car park in Fort William, where he then takes you down to the Rib on the pontoon. Once down by the boat, Ian gave us jackets which kept us nice and warm on the boat, and also life jackets to, in the event that we maybe needed them, keep us safe in the water. It was now time to hop on board and get off the pontoon. We were ready to go. As we left Fort William, we headed south along Loch Linnhe towards a local seal colony. However, at this time of year, the seals move on to a different colony, so we weren't too hopeful that we were going to see any. Luckily though, when we reached the rock, there was a seal on it, and as we went around the rock, there was 2 or 3 more in the water circling around the boat. After spending some time watching the seals, we headed back on Loch Linnhe towards Fort William, with Ben Nevis hiding in the clouds and Fort William on our right side. After passing Fort William, we headed through the Narrows into Loch Eel, where the exciting part of our speedboat trip was about to start. The house you can see in the middle of the screen, the world famous Jacobite train, also known as the Harry Potter train, is about to appear, and we're going to race it along the loch. Yeah. think I would call that a draw. And now Ian decided to give us even more excitement by doing some donuts on the loch in the boat. Now it was time for me to take the wheel. Maybe not the best idea, but it was great fun. And if you thought it was bad letting me drive the boat, imagine Amy driving the boat. After getting our chance to drive the boat, it was now time to head back along Loch Eel and back to Fort William to end our safari excursion. And just as I thought the excitement was over and we were about to head back, Ian decided to give us one last blast of the boat. Now our time was up and it was heading back to the pontoon. We had an absolute fantastic time with Fort William Sea Tours, and I would 100% recommend anyone who is in Fort William or planning a trip to Fort William to get in touch with Fort William Sea Tours and book yourself a tour. It is a great day out and you really won't regret booking a tour with them. Massive thank you to Ian, our tour guide, for giving us such a great day, and we're so glad we ended up booking it and really did have a great day on the water. I'll link Fort William Sea Tours website in the description below, so make sure to check them out if you're heading to Fort William. Thanks all for watching. Remember to subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on my next video.